In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream on YouTube using OBS Studio. Firstly, launch OBS Studio. On the right-hand side, click on Settings. In there, go to left and select Stream. Under the Service drop-down, choose YouTube/YouTube Gaming. You'll see two options, Connect Account or use Stream Key. If you're new to streaming on YouTube, you need to request streaming access. Go to your YouTube channel, select Go Live, and follow the prompts to request access. Approval takes about 24 hours. Once approved, return to OBS and click Connect Account. Log into your YouTube channel and ensure that Ignore Streaming Service Settings recommendation is unchecked. Then click OK. Go to Manage Broadcast on the right. If you chose the recommended option, you can customize everything directly in OBS. Click Create a new broadcast, name your stream, craft a compelling title and description, then add any relevant links. Set the privacy to public, then choose a category, and upload a custom thumbnail. For latency, we recommend leaving it at normal for the best quality. Click Create Broadcast. This will not start streaming immediately, giving you time to fine-tune your settings. With your settings in place, just click on Start Streaming in OBS, confirm your live status on YouTube, and congratulations! Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.